I'm here today to dive into a brewing conflict that might not just reshape a region, but could echo the tumultuous events of the past. Let's unwrap the complex Ethiopia-Somalia naval base dispute, a scenario that's not just about land, but about identity, sovereignty, and regional power dynamics. First, some geography and history. Somalia, located on the Horn of Africa, boasts the longest coastline on the continent's mainland, a jewel in the crown of strategic military and trade routes. Now cast your eyes to the north to find Somaliland, a self-declared independent state yet internationally recognized as part of Somalia. This isn't just a regional squabble. It's about historical grievances and future aspirations. In January this year, Ethiopia, a landlocked giant thirsty for maritime access, signed a memorandum with Somaliland. The deal? To develop a naval base on Somaliland's coast. Simple on paper, but a storm brews beneath. Somalia, viewing Somaliland as its territory, declared this deal void, throwing the region into diplomatic disarray. The Somali president didn't mince words, urging nationals to prepare for the defense of our homeland. Streets of Mogadishu echoed with protests. The fear? A return to the conflicts like those we saw in 1964 and 1977 between Ethiopia and Somalia. Now, why should this matter? Ethiopia's ambitions signal a shift. If Somaliland gains recognition through such deals, it could set a precedent for other breakaway regions. Meanwhile, Somalia fears a loss of territory and influence. But there's more. This naval base isn't just a facility, it's a pawn in a larger geopolitical chess game involving Egypt, Eritrea, and even the Gulf states. Each player in this drama has stakes. Ethiopia wants a port, Somalia wants unity, and Somaliland craves recognition. But as history teaches us, when the drums of nationalism beat loudly, the echoes can be long and haunting. As we look ahead, the implications are vast. This isn't just about a naval base. It's about the potential redrawing of boundaries and alliances. It's about the possibility of a conflict, but also about opportunities for diplomacy and peace. In conclusion, the Ethiopia-Somalia naval base dispute is more than a regional issue. It's a narrative about nationhood, about the past's grip on the present, and about the future of a volatile yet vital part of our world. For those of us watching, it's a reminder of the delicate balance between war and peace. A balance that can tip with a single agreement. Stay tuned, and let's see how history will judge these decisions.